Okay, so we're at qualifying before race 1. I am over at turn 11 because Clay said this was a good spot to catch the cars coming through. And I'm inclined to think he might be right on that one. So it looks like they just finished qualifying. Well, they'll be finished shortly here. But I'm gonna head back up toward the paddock because I gotta take care of getting the SD cards over to tech. So if you're seeing what I'm seeing, Christian and Clay are at the front in TC, and I believe PJ's at the front in TCA, so we're off to a good start for Road America. They are getting ready to go.
I wish that dude wasn't right there.
What? Cars went off the track at the start of the race, at least one or two, I'm not sure. So Ethan, what happened?
Deficit as they run is set to make
they're going to go for a restart now.
They're going to go for a restart?
Yeah, about 5.5 minutes left.
safety cars, so we
It's
might
probably
have
going to be pretty aggressive.
I would imagine so, given how much time is left.
we shall see.
Okay, also, what are we doing here?
It is all just straight from start to finish.
What are we doing here?
Waiting to go through tech.
Waiting to go through tech.
TC America.
And it's hot.
Drivers have already got the engines revved.
And we're working on our sunburns.
Still no lunch.
Still no lunch.
Based on
No water.
what we witnessed
Yes,
already,
what about my
it seems
hat?
like the drivers have been fired up by